Friends, nowadays due to lockdown, we are all indoors. So everybody is staying inside the house. So it is very important to keep our house neat and clean and healthy and toxins free. You get air purifiers in the market, but if nature has provided you some air purifiers, why can't we use them? Today I am going to give you a list of air purifying plants which purify the air in our house. Now you might be asking, our air is pure? No. There will be carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, then benzene, toluene, formaldehyde. From where all these come means they come from room fresheners, floor cleaners, then carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide are the pollutants, greenhouse gases which are released into the atmosphere by our ACs, refrigerators, and the vehicle pollution. All this and density of human population. So if we can keep for one room you need 5 to 6 air purification plants that will work for free. You have to just bring those plants and tend to them maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and they will work for free, purify the air in your house. And friends, in the list, the first one is Dracaena family, Dracaena circulosa. In the same Dracaena variety, we have this lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is also, if you don't want to plant plants, you can keep it in the water and it will survive. The next oxygen bomb is our aloe vera. Aloe vera itself releases so much oxygen that it is sufficient. If you keep 2 to 3 grown plants, it is sufficient to purify the air in any room. If you don't want to plant, you can keep this in water. See, a small plant, it is growing roots in water also. The next in our list is Sansevieria or snake plant. All these plants that I am showing you are semi-shade plant. They will thrive very nicely in bright indirect sunlight. If you give them bright indirect sunlight, say if you keep them close to a window where it gets bright indirect sunlight, they will nicely survive. So next in our list is the all-time popular money plant or pothos. You get many different varieties of pothos and money plants which can be grown in indoors, outdoors. Friends, next is the colorful croton. This not only adds color to your garden, to your indoors, but it also purifies the air in the house, removes the toxins from the house. Next in our list is Schefflera plant. All these plants are very easy to grow plant, low maintenance plant, not very fussy plants, and any beginner can grow these plants. Now these are aglaonema, or they are also called Chinese evergreen. You will get these plants in many different colors, many different varieties. Next is our dumpkin. This plant needs no attention at all. Just give it some water. While potting it, give it some fertilizer and rich soil. It will be in that pot for 2 to 3 years. Next is ZZ plant. This is excellent for indoors. Very less fussy plant. Very less water is required. It doesn't like to be repotted often. Next in our list is spider plant. It grows in small to small containers. If you are not interested in growing it in soil, see how beautifully it grows in the soil. You can grow it in water. Just few plants you can keep it in water. The only thing when you are keeping in water is every week you have to change the water and give it fresh water. Friends, make plants your companions in the house. And this is the fun, the easiest to grow. Nice bright leaves and it spreads like anything. Only thing you have to keep the soil moist. Friends, this is our Syngonium or arrowhead plant, which is an excellent air purification plant which comes in many varieties. Very easy to grow. It will survive in a small pot, just a small pot. It doesn't need much of your attention. You can bring home Syngonium. They will add color and grace to your hall and purify the air and give you oxygen. Nowadays, oxygen is very important. Friends, this is jade plant, which is another air purifier plant. Friends, all these plants are very easy to care and very easy to maintain. Only while preparing the potting mix, you need to prepare it with 1/3 compost, 1/3 soil and 1/3 coco peat, and for 2-3 years you can take it easy. This is the philodendron. See how beautiful the leaves are. You can beautify any corner with these plants. And add them to your indoors. They will work for you for free in purifying your air. They need no electricity, they need no power. Throughout the day, 24 hours, they purify the air. Now, how do they purify the air? For photosynthesis, they take in lots of oxygen, lots of carbon dioxide, and release oxygen. All these plants, when they are indoors, they are taking all the carbon dioxide from the air to do photosynthesis. For photosynthesis, they need sunlight and carbon dioxide. Bright filtered sunlight is sufficient for them. So friends, bring home these beautiful, lovely friends and increase the oxygen level of your house. Friends who have come first time to my channel, I'll request them to please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you will receive notifications whenever I upload videos and you will not miss them. So friends, happy gardening. If you like the content of this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Okay friends, bye bye for now.